So Bethany, tell me, where are we?
Well, Tim, I'm glad you asked. We're standing in front of the Sonoma City Hall, which is the center point for this beautiful display of holiday lights.
Right here in the Sonoma Plaza. That's right, 8 acres of beautiful lights that surround the entire plaza. We're going to be exploring as we do the This Week in Sonoma Valley. First up this week, shop small in Sonoma.
I love this idea. Tell me more about it, Tim.
Okay, so what you do if you go support small businesses, basically November 30th through December 31st, there's a bunch of businesses in Sonoma. You go shopping there. You get a little sticker that says I shop small. You take a selfie and you post that to your social media, and you make sure you tag Sonoma Valley Chamber and you tag that business. You are entered to win a $500 gift card.
$500?
$500.
That's amazing, just for the shopping I would normally be doing anyway.
Right, so then you can do more shopping if you shop small, so you can shop bigger or more smaller if you shop small. So go check that out.
What are some of the stores I can shop in for Shop Small Sonoma?
Some of the Shop Small Sonoma stores you can shop in include Perle, Wildflower, oh, what's the one over there? Sign of the Bear.
Yeah, Sign of the Bear. You get all your kitchen goods.
Kitchen stuff like that. And there's even more that hold on. Oh, Socks on the Square.
Socks on the Square.
I wrote that
Get
really
yourself
small.
a pair at Socks on the Square.
You should get really good socks.
That's right.
Good for your holiday.
Well, and also
stockings.
tiddlywinks if you've got a quirky aunt or an, wait, I'm sorry, what do we call it? A quirky aunt or an unconventional uncle?
An unconventional uncle, which would be a great name for a band.
Yes.
The Unconventional Uncles. They just won't get off the couch. Next up, we have the annual lighting of the Snowmen at Cornerstone Sonoma.
Yes, this is different than the lighting of the plaza.
Correct. So Cornerstone is just south of Sonoma in my favorite place, Baja, Sonoma. They've got a bunch of plastic snowmen that they light up every year. They're always in a different configuration. New this year, we got a Christmas tree, we got carolers, we got hot cider.
That's exciting.
We got all sorts of great events.
It's frosty fun.
It's frosty fun down there at Cornerstone. You should show up in your frosty outfit. You don't have a frosty outfit? I've got a frosty outfit, but I'm the elf that wants to be a dentist. This has gone off the rails. Is he gonna edit this? Okay, and so at the annual lighting of the Snowmen at Cornerstone, the event is free, but it does cost to park for $10. So if you can hike there, you can get in free.
Well, you know what they say.
No.
Well, what they say is that no place that has good parking is worth going.
No place that oh, that's true. Yeah, that's a good point. That's good. You want to pay for parking,
You
so
want
that
to
means
pay
there's
for
value
parking.
for it.
That's right.
I didn't even think about that.
It's a sign of value.
It's a sign of value. So check that out, the annual lighting of the Snowmen at Cornerstone Sonoma, December 7th.
That sounds fun.
That's going to be fun. Next up, let's go explore the rest of the plaza and see some of these lights.
I would love to.
Cool.
Where are we, Tim?
Okay, right now, Bethany, we're at the Alley of Lights. This is
it's so beautiful.
It is gorgeous. It's a good spot to come take some
It really does
pictures.
feel like Christmas magic.
It
when I'm
does.
standing right
look
here.
at this. Just look all the way down there. It's beautiful.
It is.
So people can come here and check this out. Speaking of holiday magic, Transcendence Broadway Holiday Spectacular, December 7th and 8th at the Luther Burbank Center.
Wow, that sounds like fun, Tim.
It is fun.
It sounds like it's got holly and jolly.
It's got holly and the jolly. It's got everything you need.
Yeah.
Current
and jazz
holiday
hands.
hits, jazz hands, songs about Christmas, Hanukkah, current pop hits, Frozen, the whole thing's there. As you know, Transcendence. A lot of Broadway stars come and they work here in Sonoma.
And this time they're going to be wearing Christmas outfits.
Ta-da, ta-da!
Yeah, so that's exciting.
All right, next up, what have we got? We've got, next up, Bethany, what do we have going on?
It's hands-on Hanukkah, Tim.
Okay, where's that at?
That's happening at the Charles M. Schultz Museum and Research Center, which is in Santa Rosa.
Okay.
This is on December 8th.
Okay.
And it's free admission when you say hands-on Hanukkah at the front desk, and you'll be invited inside to enjoy not only the museum's exhibits, but also dreidel making, crafts, and candle making.
I love it. Yeah. I think they're also making dreidels, and I might be misreading this, but it's like marshmallow dreidels. So,
wow.
Yeah, not only are they fun, they're also delicious. Another great event that's happening.
I love this one.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, I love Cirque du Bohème. It's a circus that takes place at Cornerstone Sonoma, which we mentioned earlier, which is where the frosty lighting is.
Correct.
So you could do a double up on the same day if you wanted to.
That's true.
But it's a local circus, and it's like taking a trip to Paris without the pricey plane ticket.
I like that, and it's a really old-fashioned kind of circus tent. There aren't lions, there aren't tigers, there aren't elephants. No, the only animals there are us.
And they're bendy.
And the performers, they are bendy. You got contortionists, you got people who are doing rope tricks.
Yes.
You got jugglers.
Magic.
Magic. Last year I saw a guy, he stacked like 8 chairs on top of each other and did a handstand on top of it. And it was amazing. I haven't seen that since college.
Oh, wow, I saw that this morning. It's my daily workout.
Bethany's pretty amazing. It's pretty cool. So at Cirque de Bohème at Cornerstone.
It's highly recommended.
And the theme this year is called À Paris.
À Paris.
Yeah, so there you go. Bethany, can we go explore the Star Forest next?
Absolutely.
All right, let's head over there. Come on.
it.
That's a good one. I think so. Okay.
Yeah, Star Forest.
All right, Bethany, we're now in the Star Forest.
I know, it's so beautiful, Tim.
It's magical. We have like hundreds, maybe thousands of stars.
That might be a stretch.
Okay, we might have tens of stars.
We have dozens of stars.
Dozens of scores of stars right here.
Enough to make you feel really festive.
It is. I love it. It's a good spot, and it's becoming very popular among the Instagrammerati.
Yeah, you can catch a falling star and put it on your Facebook.
Put it right there. Okay, next event that we have up is Los Posadas.
Yes.
December 15th at Art Escape. Kind of a cool thing with Los Posadas, I believe traditionally people would go around to different houses and sing, and this is in Mexico, I believe, and maybe other countries in South America and Central America. But I actually, you know what? Someone needs to go on Wikipedia who's like me and fill me in on this, but I know at Los Posadas is happening December 15th.
I bet we could ask the people at Art Escape.
We can ask them at Art Escape where they're holding this.
They would know.
You'll learn how to sing a song, you'll get some food, there'll be some treats, and it's always a good thing to check out. Yeah, so check that out. So remember, Los Posadas, December 15th at Art Escape. Check it out.
Sounds like fun.
Sounds like fun. Next event we got coming up is the
San Francisco Gay Men's Chorus!
I love it. This is at the Green Music Center, which is in Rohnert Park, just outside of Sonoma Valley, December 15th. Have you ever heard this chorus performed before, Bethany?
I never have, but I would love to. And this sounds like the perfect opportunity. They're going to be right here in our own backyard. It's such a holiday treat.
And they're kind of a big deal. Actually, they had a movie that was made about them recently. It's an amazing chorus. It's quite large, and I've seen them perform at different events and venues, and it's always a rotating, seems people going there. So December 15th.
Yes, I think they give a great mix of holiday classics and kind of upbeat twists on your holiday favorites. So I definitely think that should be top of the list.
So I think Green Music Center should just give us free tickets. I'll just wait for them to text us right now. Free tickets.
I'm waiting.
Go there. All right, let's go check out the rest of the lights here. We're going to go to the light curtain.
If you want to stay off the naughty list and get on the nice list, then like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.